At Moen, we're continuously talking to plumbers and testing new ideas to bring you meaningful Roman tub valve improvements. We redesigned our fixed Roman tub valves to provide improvements like standardized drill holes, pre-soldered valves set to standard 10-inch centers, versatile designs that can be installed on a tub or finished deck up to 1 7/8 inches thick, supply connection options, the DuraGrip mounting system, and a limited lifetime warranty. Together, these improvements make your installation faster, easier, and more secure. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install Moen's new and improved 3-hole fixed Roman tub valve with PEX connections on a fiberglass tub. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the main water supply. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill, 1 1/4 inch spade bit or hole saw, adjustable wrench or pliers, plumber's putty or sealant, tape measure, and safety glasses. If you have questions at any time, please call Moen Trade Services. Step 2. Drill holes in the deck. To simplify installation, all valves and spout holes are now a uniform 1 1/4 inches. Each hole should be at least 5 inches apart on center. For the spout shank, allow no more than 6 inches from the inside edge of the tub to the center line of the hole, and leave at least 2 1/8 inches from the edge of the tub to provide clearance for the trim. Mark and drill 3 1 1/4 inch holes. Step 3. Mount the valve to the deck. Thread the lower mounting nut onto the hot and cold valve bodies. Be sure to allow for the tub thickness, lower washer, and top mounting nut. Slide a washer onto each valve body. Then slide a washer onto the spout shank. From the underside of the deck, insert the valve into the proper holes. Above the deck, slide a washer onto the spout shank and insert the shank snap ring. The shank snap ring holds the valve in place, freeing up your hands, and sets the valve to the proper height. Thread the top mounting nut onto the hot and cold valve bodies until flush with the deck. Hand tighten the lower mounting nut on the spout shank, then firmly tighten with an adjustable wrench or pliers. Tighten the nuts on the hot and cold valve bodies in the same way. All of Moen's redesigned Roman tub valves feature the DuraGrip mounting system, which locks the valve to the deck, eliminating any wobble or side-to-side movement. Step 4. Connect the supply lines. For your convenience, Moen's fixed Roman tub valves now feature integrated connections and adapters for every type of plumbing used in new construction and remodels. With this model, the inlets are ready for PEX, but the valve also comes with Schedule 40 CPVC adapters. A separate valve is also available for cold expansion PEX. And if you're installing copper, Moen offers a valve pre-soldered with copper. To attach the PEX connections, slide the tubing onto the inlets up to the O-ring. Then crimp the banding rings with a crimping tool. For Schedule 40 CPVC or cold expansion connections, apply silicone grease to each O-ring. Then slide the adapter onto each inlet over the O-ring. Insert the retaining clip and secure it in place. Step 5. Protect the valve and check for leaks. Place the protective cardboard tube onto the spout shank. Thread the brass test plug into the spout shank and tighten with an adjustable wrench. It's included in your kit, so you can easily high-pressure test the system. Turn the water on by rotating the hot and cold stems in toward the spout. Check for any leaks. When you're sure there are no leaks, shut off the water by rotating the stems away from the spout. To protect the valve between rough-in and finish, thread the mud caps onto the valve bodies. The last step is installing the trim. Start by removing the brass test plug and cardboard protective tube. Unscrew the mud cap on the valve bodies. Apply plumber's putty or sealant on the deck around the valve bodies and spout shank. Make sure the hot and cold stems are in the off position. Then place the handles on each valve and hand tighten. Remove any excess plumber's putty or sealant. Thread the set screw onto the spout. Apply silicone grease around the spout shank. Place the spout on the shank. Align and secure it in place by tightening the set screw with a 5 32nd-inch hex wrench. Finish up by inserting the plug button. For added flexibility, Moen's Roman tub valves are impact compatible, which means any Moen Roman tub trim can be used with the valve, and you can easily change a customer's trim in the future without replumbing below the deck. Moen's new and improved fixed Roman tub valves are versatile, durable, and built to perform because a secure installation means no callbacks, and a fast and easy installation on a wider variety of tub decks saves you time and money. For more information about Moen and our products, please visit moen.com or call 1-800-BUY-MOEN.